I learned a lot, and you gotta weigh out the pros and cons of both people, and really it's not about the person themselves, it's what about the decisions they make for the country.
I love debate. I probably get into too many arguments, way too many. I also love acting. You gotta have to mix it up. You can't put your personal opinions into it, but you have to at least show what the candidate believes.
I love debate. I want to become a lawyer when I'm older, so as soon as this opportunity was given to me, I was like already on it. I was filling out my form and I was turning it in to Mr. Cannon. He's a great teacher, by the way.
The whole idea is getting the kids politically active, getting them to realize that in probably the next presidential election, many of these 8th graders are going to be voting themselves. And they need to start formulating their own opinions and gathering information on their own and having their own thoughts by teaching current events as well as the curriculum, by getting them interested in what's going on in the world around them. I think that it's never too young to really start getting involved. And these particular kids, as 8th graders, they're still very moldable. They haven't formulated such concrete opinions yet that they can't change. And I'm playing Switzerland. I am down the middle. I don't have any political opinion. I let them voice their political opinions. These kids are amazing workers. After the first debate practice, I had lots of critiques, lots of things that they had to work on, and as the practices have gone along, that has grown less and less. They're pretty much really sharp now. They have done a tremendous amount of work, of research, of gathering information, both the candidates and the moderator, who is an amazing moderator. They have just worked really hard, and they really want our school and everyone who watches to realize that they are doing a good job and that we all need to vote. We all need to get involved in the political process and decide who our leaders are going to be.
It's extremely informative, and you get to understand what's happening in the world.
Just make sure that everybody votes for November 3rd because this is history.
We need to vote on November 3rd because this is our future and we need to be invested and know what we're doing with it.
Just try and vote, even not if you're below the age, but you know what I mean.